Here is a 20-inch Aerospeed box fan. Uh, I know it says comfort zone on the package, but in fact it is an Aerospeed. Um, I got this because I've been wanting one of these newer box fans for a while, but I didn't want like a crap Homes box fan like they sell at Target and Kmart. So I saw these sitting on the shelf next to the Aerospeed BX400s. I wanted a BX400, but I decided to get this just to see how they are. My favorite part about this fan is that it's made in the USA. That's one of the main reasons I bought it. So let's get to the fan. I also have the manual. This came with feet when I bought it, like stabilizer feet, but it doesn't need them. It can support itself on its own. I love the startup sound on these. It sounds so cool. Here's the side. As you can see, it's a slim cabinet, but it's thick within the Lascos and the Homes. And here's the back. Now, as you can see, it does have the wimpy motor, but I mean, it pushes a decent amount of air, and it does not have the brace around the blades. So, of course, it pushes a lot more air, because the braces are just inefficient. Oh, and as you can see, it is narrow speed. That was weird though. I mean, I saw them on the shelf and it says comfort zone, but apparently there's an Aerospeed inside. But anyway, let's get to the fan. So, here's low. It's quiet on low. Here's medium. And here's high. So overall, this is a great fan. I would suggest if you're looking for a good newer box fan, then go buy one of these, or Alaska Weather Shield. Yeah, this is the Aerospeed BX100. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.